rifles have played a crucial role in military conflicts, hunting, and self-defense for centuries. They are designed for accuracy, power, and range. Here's a look at some of the most famous and effective rifles in history. 1. AK-47. The legendary assault rifle. Country of origin, Soviet Union. Caliber, 7.6 .239. Rate of fire, 600 rounds per minute. Effective range, 400 meters. The AK-47, designed by Mikhail Kalashnikov in 1947, is one of the most widely used and recognizable rifles in the world. Known for its durability, reliability, and ease of use, it has been adopted by many military forces and insurgent groups worldwide. 2. Mi-16, the iconic American rifle. Country of origin, United States. Caliber, 5.56 .45 Rate of fire, 950 rounds per minute. Effective range, 550 meters. The Mi-16, first introduced during the Vietnam War, became the standard rifle for the U.S. military. It is lightweight, accurate, and fires at a high rate. Over the years, the design evolved into the M4 carbine, which is widely used today. 3. AR-15, the civilian favorite. Country of origin, United States. Caliber, 5.5 .645 NATO. Effective range, 600 meters. The AR-15 is one of the most popular rifles for civilian use, especially in the U.S. It is highly customizable and used for home defense, sport shooting, and hunting. Unlike the Mi-16, civilian AR-15s are semi-automatic only. 4. Garand, the greatest battle implement ever devised. Country of origin, United States. Caliber, .3006, Springfield. Effective range, 500 meters. The Garand was the standard U.S. military rifle during World War II and the Korean War. It was praised for its semi-automatic action, which gave American troops a major advantage over enemies using bolt-action rifles. 5. Lee-Enfield No. 4 Make 1, the British Empire's workhorse. Country of origin, United Kingdom. Caliber, .303 British. Effective range, 550 meters. The Lee-Enfield No. 4 Mackay was the standard rifle for British and Commonwealth forces during World War I and World War II. It had a 10-round magazine, which was more than most bolt-action rifles of its time. 6. Karabiner 98 Key, Karnanady 8K, the German bolt-action legend. Country of origin, Germany. Caliber, 7.9 .257 Mauser. Effective range, 500 meters. The Karnanady 8K was the primary rifle of the German Wehrmacht during World War II. It was well-made, accurate, and reliable. Even after WWII, it was used by many countries in conflicts around the world. 7. FN FAL, the right arm of the free world. Country of origin, Belgium. Caliber, 7.6 .250 NATO. Effective range, 600 meters. The FN FAL was used by over 90 countries during the Cold War. It was one of the first battle rifles chambered in 7.62 NATO, giving it excellent range and stopping power. 8. Dragunov SVD, the the Soviet sniper rifle. Country of origin, Soviet Union. Caliber, 7.6, 250 4mm. Effective range, 800 meters. The Dragunov SVD is one of the world's most famous semi-automatic sniper rifles. It was designed to provide long-range fire support for Soviet troops. From the rugged AK-47 to the precise MA-16 and powerful FN-FEL, rifles have shaped the history of warfare and defense. Each of these firearms has its own unique design and purpose, proving why they are considered among the best rifles ever made. Which rifle do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments.